The income statements. The income statement, also known as profit and loss statement or P&L statement, is one of the three core financial statements, along with the balance sheet and cash flow statement. It shows a company's financial performance, specifically how much profit or loss the business made over a specific period of time. For example, month, quarter, and year. In simple words, income statement answers the question, did the company make money or lose money during this period, and how? Income statement shows the financial performance in the form of profit earned or loss sustained by the businesses. Income is defined as increases in economic benefits during the accounting period in the form of inflows or enhancements of assets or decreases of liabilities that result in increases in equity other than those relating to contributions from equity participants. Income encompasses both revenue and gains. Revenue is income that arises in the course of ordinary activities of an entity and is referred to by a variety of different names, including sales, fees, interest, dividends, and royalties.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.